I'm Sean Austin, CEO at Helios, and this week we took a look at Best Buy and their earnings call from August 30th. Best Buy, like many stocks, has taken a hammering over the last several quarters. We know that the macro environment has not been conducive to any growth, but what we want to bring you is now a unique tone of voice score that we uniquely derive from the executive's bullishness or confidence or lack thereof on these calls. It's an important piece of earnings intelligence that you can combine into your mosaic as you analyze these calls and make your decisions. For Best Buy, an important piece to consider is the historical correlations to 1-month returns, which is where our alpha composite score has the most value. What we've seen in the past is a negative correlation to the alpha composite score, which essentially means it'll be going in the opposite direction for 1-month returns and 1-month stock movement. So we'll just get right into it. For Best Buy, what we saw is there was a alpha composite score that went in the negative direction. A negative movement would correspond to a positive outlook in the future for price, which aligns with some of the interesting fundamental indicators we've seen, like options that are open interest, as well as some other important analyst recommendations. On the whole, we know that there's been a negative or a hold pattern to the entire equity, which means this alpha composite score could be a unique additional piece of information that allows you to make a better decision versus the holds across the board. We strongly believe what we can do with tone of voice allows you to have a better understanding of the earnings call, and it's one that takes into account both channels of information from executives when they're talking. The words they're saying, as well as how they're saying it, comes together to be a complete package. Take a look at our past calls with Zoom and Walmart, and next week we're going to look at a very unique one with GameStop and bring you the alpha composite score front and center. Thank you.